used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
Okay, so as you can see, I've changed my YouTube name to Leo's MSP. So basically, and I'm just make a new intro, a new channel, like thing, what you call it, a channel art, that's what you call it, and a new channel icon. So go to YouTube, and I might have a channel icon that I can use to one that I might have already used. Snapchatting Helena. Okay, I've got Sale Plays, that one won't do. Okay. What I need to do, I need to go to... Oh, what's this all about? How often do you change your name? I need to wait probably another 3 months. Great. From my profile, my channel icon, I know what I'm gonna do. I think. I'm probably gonna make it green. Okay, that's a cute picture. But, I obviously need to cut out the heart. Okay. I can seriously not be bothered to do this. But, okay, in the hair. I'm probably not gonna erase it all. Okay. I fixed the hair. Now I make this brush as big as I can. Just doing it. And then I choose that one, I'm gonna choose the rainbow. And then I'm gonna put it on layer 0. And do it right downwards. There we go. And then I'm gonna put some text. And I'm just gonna put it as put it in white. I was thinking winter more. And gonna make it a bit bigger. Probably like 100. No, maybe like 70. Yeah, that'll do. But I'm going to move it up a bit to there, let's say. So if I leave it there, and then I'm gonna click on this one, I'm gonna click a filter. No, I need to do layer styles. I want to, no, I don't want the drop shadow and I don't want the inner shadow. I want the outer glow. And I want it to be white. And then I want it to be like that. And then I can know which one is this one, and I want it to not fall asleep. And then I'm gonna put it all the way around. I need it to be, wait. I want it to be like an 8. And then what the heck? I want it just to be, I don't want it to fall asleep. I want it to be plain white. And okay. And then let's just make it. I just want it to be, no, why does it do that? Right, now let's go. Okay. What if I put it on a different layer? What if I put it on this layer? Oh, okay, this isn't gonna work, is it? Okay, never mind. I need like a emoji. Oh no, that's the best emoji. No, I like this one. Moving downloads. Hey, where the heck is it? Oh, I saw it. I wanna get it all white. How do you spin it? I don't know how to spin it. I want it to be a bit. There we go. File. Save. PNG. Okay. Or drop down. Close that. Close that. Edit this. Edit. Blood photo. Yeah. And then I want to go back to this. Has it changed yet? It's gonna probably take a, oh no, it's changed. And then 1350, wait. YouTube channel art size. 2560 times 1440. So go back and pick, I don't know, in Skype. I haven't opened it since I put my computer on. 2560. 2560 times 1440. And transparent. And then layer, open images layer. I feel like I'm doing like a tutorial. And actually I'm literally just showing you how I made it. Okay, I'm never gonna find it. I'm just gonna have to scroll. Alt, open. Edit, free transform. G7. And then another dealer menu. Thumbnail. It took a long time to make. Anyway, I used a cola mayonnaise to make a thumbnail for that called Update. Some that's what would I say? First, I'm just gonna put some text and say updates, make it like 1,000. What about 999? I'm just gonna put that there. And then put the background as this. There we go. And since I can't be bothered to save it, I'm just gonna screenshot it. Okay, sorry about that, my dad walked in. But yeah, look, it'll look cool. I mean, half my head's cut off, but I mean, who cares? Oh, video side. They look cool on TV, let's just select that. Yeah, that looks cool, I like this. And I made the thumbnail. Oh, by the way, you can see like my private live streams and all my MVP parts, but they're now private because, oh, this was when I was trying to upload one from my iPod, and then I have to make it on the computer instead. Because, yeah. Oh no, let's delete that. What will be the bottom? Hey, so basically I've put the thumbnail on. It won't have shown up yet though. And I changed my channel URL. Oh yeah, it has shown up. I can't remember what the URL is now, but it's something like youtube.com. Okay, I don't know. You've got to search Black Knight 1311 still to get to my channel. And the thing, so I wasn't showing up the new URL. But yeah, you need 100 subs to get a custom URL, so I'm so happy that I have 100 subs because I need it. Okay, I wonder how many things people are in my collab now. Now let's see, how many people are in my collab? Yeah, so basically now all I need to do is make an intro. So, I know exactly what intro I'm doing, I just need a notebook. And a person. Me. And Holly can be in this because Holly's got cute clothes. So I need to change my clothes. It's gonna be like I don't know. And I hate wearing short t-shirts on this game, but for this, I'm going to. And I feel very ho-ho-ho. Like, oh my god. Yeah. So using that look. And I'll pick a look for Holly. Holly. Sounds like Holly. I don't know what I'm doing in my life anyway. That's kinda cute. I like that. What goes with it? I don't know. It's supposed to go with it? Oh, those shorts go. And those sneakers. Oh my god, what am I doing with my life? Accessories, any? Do these go? Are these the same thing? I think so. Okay, you can keep the bow, but not that. Yes, that is cute. Okay. We need an animation. We need to... Oh my god. And then... is, yeah, that's going on. And then, okay, you know what, I know I'm in this. Oh, well, you know, concerning this ranger, you know, I'll be in it. I just want one person, otherwise that simultaneous stab thing doesn't go very well. I need that other person to get this thing off me now. And then I need the green screen. There we go. I don't know if I can do like another screen recording. No, I cannot. Okay, I'll have to end this, but I'm back. Yeah, I recorded it, and now I need to open iMovie, which will make me wide delicious, and I need a kaleidoscope. And I want a kaleidoscope of the background. What was that person's name? I know, it was like... Yep, it was her. I quite like this one. And then... I'm going to... Okay, so BRB while I record this. Okay, so... Now I'm going to make the intro. And so... I'm gonna put the... It's gonna make me ass. I don't know, but then... It'll be saved in oil and stuff. So... I'll put it at the bottom. I have no idea where the recording of the... person dubbing is, though. Oh, we'll never find that ever. But I'm going to just have to go down and down and down and down and down. Come over here, Hoover. Yes, I'm moving. I don't know where it is. Where is it? Ah, there it is. Right, and then audio. I'm gonna use the song. Okay, and then I need to put it up to... It was exactly 11 seconds, and then I need to make this exactly 11 seconds. And obviously I need to make it go slow. It's slow, but I need to make it go... So it's like... maybe I can make it like 50%, and then I can make it short so it goes half as fast as it did before. And then I do insert blue screen. No, oh my god, wait, does this look cool? I need to make this getting a bit down a bit, and then... Okay, we have a problem, I was wearing blue. And well, that's useless, I need another clip. So, I need to change my outfit. That was silly. How did I not realise that would happen? I'm so stupid. Okay. No, this outfit isn't cute. I know. But I'm gonna use sometimes the blue. The black ones. And then I need to add another person to get rid of the stupid thing around it. And then I need to record it again, so I will be right back. Okay, so I've recorded again and I'm eating a bagel, which is like... Yep. I'm gonna need to make it a bit slower, but I'm gonna make it custom, and I'm gonna make it like 90%, and then it'll be... There we go, let's see what this looks like. Okay. It won't be as laggy. Wait, why is it not like... Oh my god. Alright, I can't have... Okay, now does it play again? No, there's got a stupid advert at the end. Okay. I think I can deal with it. But I need to add text. I just want normal text. Why is it working? I don't know. What is wrong with it? But, I don't want to do that. Don't really that. Yeah, I want it to say Rails MSP. I want it in bold italic. No, I don't want it in italics. Yeah. Let's see how this looks. Okay, it won't be this laggy, but, yeah. Let's call it new intro. Yeah. Okay, now that's gonna take forever. So yeah, bye YouTube.